In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook Marketplace account. 2006 step by step. First, you need a Facebook account. Open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com, then choose create new account. Follow the prompts to enter your basic details, including a secure password and your birthday. Keep in mind that Marketplace is intended for people 18 and older. When you tap sign up, Facebook will send a short verification code to confirm it's really you. Enter that code from your text messages or email, and your account will be ready to use. Once your account is set, accessing Marketplace is simple. Open Facebook, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, and look for the shopping bag icon labeled Marketplace. Tap it to enter. That's all it takes. Your Marketplace access is part of your Facebook account, so there's nothing extra to create. If you don't see Marketplace yet, don't worry. This can happen with brand new accounts or accounts that Facebook hasn't fully trusted for buying and selling. Sometimes your location or eligibility can affect availability too. It's common for the icon to appear after a little normal activity on your profile. To help unlock Marketplace access, just use Facebook like a real person would. Add a few genuine friends, post something normal on your timeline, and like or comment on posts from people you know. Spend a few days engaging steadily, not all at once, and avoid spammy behavior. Many users see Marketplace appear automatically after this natural activity. Before you start selling, take a minute to polish your seller profile. Use a clear, real profile photo, make sure your name is accurate, and update your location so buyers know where you're based. It also helps to keep your recent timeline clean and consistent. A trustworthy profile goes a long way toward attracting serious buyers, as when you're ready to list an item, go to Marketplace and tap Create New Listing. Choose the listing type that matches what you're selling. Add a straightforward title, a fair price, and an honest, detailed description. Upload bright, well-framed photos that show the item from multiple angles. Then tap Post to publish your listing. Clear information and quality images help your item show up in more searches and reduce back and forth with buyers. Finally, be prepared for messages. Buyers will reach out through Messenger, so turn on notifications, set up a few quick replies to common questions, and respond promptly. Fast, friendly communication can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. And that's it. Your Facebook Marketplace account is set up, your profile is seller ready, and your first listing is live. Happy selling!